Hi, good evening. Tonight, I am going to show you Geoffrey Zakarian's traditional chicken adobo. So I did the air quotes because it is nowhere near traditional. There's a lot of different types of adobo in the Philippines, and a lot of people changes the recipes to suit their needs, but calling it traditional, which is like really way off. Like you could just say like my take on a Filipino chicken adobo would have been better, but I want to try it to see, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna become too close. And then I'm gonna show you the real traditional way, anyway, in where the region I'm from, which is the southern part of the Philippines. Okay, let's do it. So in his video, I'm just gonna do one piece because I don't wanna use too many or waste too many chicken, because I don't even know if I can eat this whole piece. My husband said he'll try, so we'll see. So in his video, he put like he marinated the chicken first with soy sauce. Yeah, that's like low sodium soy sauce. And then he put like a little white vinegar, the cheap white vinegar, this white vinegar. And then he put brown sugar. I'm just eyeballing how much he put in his marinade. And then we got that. And then the habanero, which I had to cut with gloves because I am actually allergic to spicy peppers. And habanero doesn't grow in the Philippines. We don't have these, but we'll do that. Then black pepper, he put a generous amount, so for one slice this should be a generous amount. And then he said to massage it and marinate it for 24 hours. So I won't be cooking this tonight. I'll be cooking this tomorrow, and I'll be videoing it while cooking it his way. And this will go to my fridge. Hi, welcome back. So I marinated the Food Network's Geoffrey Zakarian's adobo. I keep watching the YouTube to make sure that I'm doing this right. So I don't have the fancy ceramic cast iron pan, but I do have this cast iron with oil that's really hot right now. So he seared it first. So we're gonna sear it. So he just lightly seared it, and that looks good to me. And then I think I put too much oil, so I'm gonna take a little bit of oil out. So I took some oil out, and then we're gonna dig. He put the onion first and some garlic. And then they glazed it with the marinade. Okay, and then he said to put like a little salt and a little black pepper again. And then I'll do a small bay leaf since we're just doing one slice. He did that, and then he put the chicken back with the skin side up. And then he put water in it. Sounds about right. And then I think he covered it up and then for 30 minutes it'll be like this. Okay, welcome back. So This has been simmering for 30 minutes. We will put it on top of rice. It looked like that, like the sauce watery. That's how the thing was in the thing. And then you put the sauce on top. Because I think he included some onions with it. And then he said he always eats it with lemon. I don't know where that came from. Too, we don't have this type of lemon either. Oh yeah, he's always been served with lemon to him for some reason, I don't know. And then he put a bunch of, I think his parsley was chopped smaller. Mine is a little bigger, but it's about that way. And I'm gonna have my husband Ben eat it because I am not eating this, whatever that is.
So we're gonna try Geoffrey Zakarian's traditional adobo. Let's see what it. So it's spicy and it tastes like black pepper.
Does it taste like traditional adobo?
I don't even taste the soy sauce.
How about the vinegar?
No, I just taste black pepper. And it's
oh
spicy.
no, I think you might need to squeeze the lemon.
Let me try to squeeze the lemon and see if that.
Did you try the parsley? Eat it with the parsley. I don't know why the parsley is there.
I'm trying the parsley.
How is it?
It tastes really weird. I would not. I've never had adobo that tasted like this.
Does it taste
It has
good?
like for some reason it has a sweet flavor too, but it's spicy.
Well, brown sugar. There was brown sugar.
I forgot about the brown sugar. That's probably why it tastes sweet too.
Does it taste good?
No, it's not Filipino food.
Okay.
So the parsley and the lemon give it kind of a like you're eating cleaner. And it's spicy. There's a lot of black pepper flavor. This should be called black pepper chicken. It's almost sweet and spicy. It doesn't taste like adobo at all. I don't taste the bay leaf. I don't taste the vinegar, and I don't taste the soy sauce. It's just like sweet and spicy. It's not good. This is not adobo at all. It's bad.